Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, New York City, we have Jenn Byrne. She's a co-founder and president of Quesnay. We're going to take a look at supporting female founders in finance and technology. Jenn, it's great to have you here with us. Such an important topic. Before we get into that, let's learn more about Quesnay's background, your area of focus, what you had going on at Nasdaq.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here with you. As you mentioned, I'm the co-founder and CEO of Quesnay. We actually got started about 7 years ago to help accelerate innovation between large corporations and startups. And we've been running large-scale global innovation competitions in finance, insurance, and soon also the mobility sector. And one of the things that we've learned over the 7 years of running crowdsourced innovation competitions is that in 2017 we looked at the number of applicants that we were seeing apply, and the vast majority were male entrepreneurs. So we thought in 2017, why not see if we could invite women to apply who have startups that are going to positively impact the financial services industry. So we launched a program called Female Founders in Fintech, which is an example of an innovation competition and mentorship program.
Why is it important to support female founders in fintech?
So first of all, unfortunately only 2.2 to 3% of venture capital funding goes to women-led startups. And yet there are a lot of women that have creative solutions that are looking to make a difference in financial services sector. And the ROI that women are demonstrating in terms of, in a 5-year time frame, generating larger revenue, they're returning their funds back to their lenders more efficiently, and they really have a perspective on how to improve financial savings, literacy, lending, a lot of the solutions that we saw in our competition, and can really have a positive impact on the industry. In addition, there's a notable lack of diversity within the financial institutions, and so this program that we're running is really helping drive leadership also within the financial institutions.
What about mentorship to support women?
So that is a really great topic. What we have observed and read and learned from talking to founders is that 48% of women cite the lack of mentorship as one of the hurdles that they see and experience in trying to scale their startup. And yet that is a deciding factor in the success of a startup and how you scale. Through our program, we're very fortunate that leaders from companies like Wells Fargo have dedicated their time and expertise to coach and advise the women in our program and really help hone their presentation, thinking about regulatory impact or how to scale up through partnerships. And that has had a very positive impact on startups overall, and especially among women in our program.
All right, now to wrap up here, what are the benefits to the participants that were able to join you last night?
Oh, there's so many. First of all, they not only obtain mentorship from subject matter experts, but we invite them to pitch to a live audience, and they obtain monetary prize, rewards in terms of visibility, speaking opportunities. We also are pleased to share that through our partnerships with Google, the SALT Conference, MasterCard, and others, they've all offered whether an appearance at an event or educational courses at IE Business School, for example. So there's a number of different benefits to women involved in the program. So it's a really great experience for them.
Yeah, it's amazing. Can't put a dollar amount on that. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us at MarketSite.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.